In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact form to your HostGator website builder, a simple and effective way to enhance communication with your site visitors. We'll break it down into manageable steps so you can follow along with ease. Let's get started. First things first, you will need to log into your HostGator website builder account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. If you're not familiar with it yet, think of the dashboard as your control center. It's where you manage your website's building blocks. Navigate around confidently, and soon it will feel like second nature. Next, you'll want to open your website editor. This is the tool that allows you to make changes to your website's layout and design. Take a moment to get familiar with the interface if it's your first time using it. You might notice toolbars and options on either side, all designed to help make editing as streamlined as possible. Once you have your editor open, navigate to the page where you'd like the contact form to appear. Whether it's your home page, a dedicated contact page, or somewhere else, choose a location that makes sense for your site's navigation and user experience. Keep in mind that a contact form should be easy to find for those who are eager to reach out to you. To insert the contact form, look for the option to Add Section or Add Block. Different platforms might use different terms, but the function remains the same. You're adding a new piece to your web page puzzle. Click on this option to proceed. Now you'll be prompted to choose what type of section or block you wish to add. From the list of options, select Contact Form. This selection will integrate a form into the page pre-designed to collect visitor information. At this point, it's important to customize the fields to suit your needs. Typically, you'll see fields for the name, email address, and message, which are the basics of any contact form. You might want to add additional fields or edit existing ones, depending on what information is crucial for you to collect. Tailor the form to suit the interaction you envision with your visitors. Another critical part of setting up your contact form is designating an email address to receive the submissions. Ensure this email is one you check regularly. You wouldn't want to miss important messages. Finally, save and publish your changes. Take a moment to review everything to ensure it looks and works as expected. Once you're satisfied, publish your website to make these changes live. Now your visitors will have an easy way to contact you directly. That's it. With these steps, you now have an operational contact form on your HostGator website, ready to facilitate communication and engagement with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.